don't crash. Server, don't crash. Please, server, don't crash. Please, please, please. This is Max, my first time being on the server. Hey guys, so I'm bringing my very first series back, but this time on a server. What the heck is on my microphone? Keep moving around. Okay. But anyway, bringing our very first series back to the channel, and this time I'm happy, cause we're gonna do something with it. No. Take on my hands, right? One block. SSMP. Prisons. When this come out, guys, comment below if you want me to play. Comment down below if you want me to play when this come out. We going to one block. Like I said, very first series on the channel. We're back, baby. Why'd I say that? Cause there's a mic here. The heck is in my way? Anyway. Oh, why would I do this? I don't know any of the commands. Get out of here. Oh, yeah, how do you access the room block? I did actually show you this is not my first. I wonder if there's anything. Okay, there is. I was just guessing, guys, but okay. Ant. What about ant? This actually pretty lucky, guys. Cause most of the players they always have kids, so yeah, this should be helpful for me. Okay, let's see this. Torches. Might need them later from the wall. But I think I'm just gonna need an axe. Okay, I don't watch Japanese Minecraft videos. Axes do mean damage. And I would love use the axe. God dang, I hate this control when I'm sprinting. I guess. Save me. Sword or Sword or axe? Sword or a axe? A axe. I can talk. I'm at white level 156, 8. But our goal is to at least make a portal or a mob grinder for us. Some ink. Yeah, I can't talk. Oh, this is actions. With an option. Paper. That's done. I might visit Discord then. Wait. To get started, click the teleport island. Oh. Well, I'm stupid. Don't say anything about that. Okay. Action of one block. Oh my god. Well, dang. He's kidding here then. God dang, it just can't wait when I just flames. Okay. Oh, got my first piece of wood, guys. If I did not realize they took my kit away. This is gonna be real painful for me. Oh, I can't make a sword. How could you iron level? Man. What the heck? Blech. I hate having a cold! Oh my god, why am I making a video? Why? Why am I making a YouTube video if I have a cold? Just tell me this. Why? Oh my god, I have a pickaxe. No, that actually scared me for a second. I should just eat the island outward. You know what? Here. Yeah, know why I did that in a second. Hold on, let me just this way. That there. Shifting, click the glitch. There we go. Alright. Now I won't be scared of falling into the void. I had the first couple minutes in this video, me just trying to plug a new series because the series coming back. And plus, we're getting wood now. Yes, now you get pickaxe. I hate this so much. Wait, get ready. Get your fist ready. Where's your fist? What? Wait. Ha! Can't fool me now. No. What I press Q? It's gonna stay shifting. Yeah. Why did I press the throw button? Why? That's scary for a second. Yeah. And I got the achievement. It feels so wrong now. It feels so wrong mining with the wooden pickaxe. I'm making a sin in Minecraft at this point, making a sin. Wait. I don't know why, like, more stone. I should make a house in this video. Or axe. I'm sorry this is the first weapon I'm making, but this is why. I know you're saying like, so why make an axe as the first weapon you make as in the first video? This is me attacking in Java Edition. Right now we're playing Java and Bedrock, so I do mean attack damage now. But then the sword is faster than an axe in Java Edition, so... Oh, that's sponge. Hold on, it should be useful for later. What? I'm sorry, I'm confused. Oh, yeah, tomorrow's Saturday, so, yeah. Ooh, okay. I stand up, I'm not gonna risk it. Can you just get off of my land, I guess? Wait, but say this thing. I have no wheat on me. I have no money, and the money is right. It's over here. It's right there. You can see it. Okay, now y'all can't see it. Oh my god, it's gonna take forever. Leave names in the comments or I'll name myself, okay? I need food. I should have made a stone pickaxe, huh? Hey, can we just the shop? Again! Tools. 200. Why are you selling it for 200? You can make it. No. You know what? I'm gonna sell my, so I sell. And 1 plate. Hey, don't be cheap. Cheap. What the? And this one, so half of these. So yeah. Oh my god, God, though. Wait. So for $1, does that mean I have a... Oh my god, I'll be back once I forgot to do this. Hey guys, next day Skull here. I think it was like a second, 3 or 5 seconds, but we're back. Yay. I'm going back to my island. I'm actually going back to my island right now. I'm not doing this adventure because that's the thing with again. Yep, I'm going back to my island. Nope, not doing this. Nope. Take me back to my island. Take me back to my island right now. Take me back to my island right now. Wait, what? Yeah, I can see I made it. I can talk slash. Okay. Yeah, today we're not doing this today. What? One day. Andy, can you please stop? Stop, please. I have a headache. Yo, I guess. I said been a day already. I woke her in this late at night. Oh. Well, I'm dumb. At least we have some items. I'm not risking it again. Y'all know what I meant. Last time, y'all saw me make a stone axe instead of stone pickaxe. Well, yeah, not today. We get a stone pickaxe, stone pick, no other items we need. Food chest. Ladders, okay, all this is good though. This is good, but not that good enough. What'd it go for? Whatever, I did join, even though I just wasted all your times by going to the next day, and yeah. Still not feeling good, guys, but I'll be fine. If you do want part 2, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. What? Should I kill him? I'm gonna have to kill him. After that cough, I'm gonna have to kill him. It won't place. Do it to double leg if y'all want me to kill it. 3, 2, 1, go.